Okay, here's the cable. I'm pushing it out. That's part 2, 2001 Toyota Echo, changing the shift cable for shifting gears. So again, remember I told you, disconnect that cable and push it through. And this is the exact same cable. I am pushing it through, and I'm gonna go to the other side, not the other side, underneath the car, and basically pull this long cable. Okay. See? Very easy, nothing hard about it. There it is, that's the cable. This connects to the shift, and this clip goes in to like this. You'll see it, I'll show it to you. Okay, I'm gonna pull out this whole cable, and then once I pull it out, and I'll let you know how to install it and tighten it, and we'll go from there. Continue with part 3. I know part 2 is not much, but I took the cable out and showed you that it goes in here. Alright, continue with part 3.